is new to us completely. We've never ever been on an overnight train, and our first train in India as well. So I think the best thing to do is we have our tickets already, so I think we need to just go up and ask at the desk
where the platform is.
Yeah.
Cool, right, let's go. Platform 4, she said. Okay, so our cabin is up this end.
Okay, so we're up near the engine.
Sleeper A2 is our cabin. I think, is that what you call it, cabin?
Yeah, cabin, yeah.
Is it? Oh,
yeah.
okay, yeah.
I wonder how much sleep we'll get on the sleeper train. Dying to see it now, honestly. It's our first experience. I'm really dying to see this. I think I'm going to get on and then you pass
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work. God, it's cool in here.
It is nice and cool, yeah. So let's go through here.